Lena, I'm 35 and I've been wearing wigs for 12 years. And now, also with passion. I have an autoimmune disease, alopecia areata, and therefore I am a long-term wearer. With the right care, the wig lasts much longer. It retains its natural shine, and this is of course important for the wearing experience. To begin, we brush the hair thoroughly from the bottom up with a brush with plastic tips to remove all hair tangles. We avoid sharp-edged brushes so as not to damage the wig cap. If adhesive strips are used, we remove them. We have now already prepared a washing bowl with clean, lukewarm water and put 2 tablespoons of the shampoo into the water bath and distribute it evenly by hand. We use the BELLE MADAME Vital Shampoo. We reach with a flat hand from the bottom into the wig cap and fix the hair from the top using the thumb. And then we draw it a few times evenly through the water bath and strike out the hair at the end. We should never touch the wig directly at the lace front because it is very delicate and can tear quickly. We rinse the hair under running lukewarm water in the direction of the fall of the hair until no shampoo remains in the hair or the wig cap, and strike out the hair at the end. For the care of our human hair wig, we need the Vital Balm, the leave-in conditioner and the soft spray, and if we notice that the hair needs special care, we can apply the Vital Mask overnight. We take an amount of 2 tablespoons of the Vital Balm and distribute it into the lengths and tips of the hair, being careful not to come into contact with the wig cap, because the nourishing substances of the balm could loosen the knots. Then we take a coarse tooth wash comb and go through the entire hair again, so that the balm is well distributed. After the balm has remained in the hair for 2 to 5 minutes, we now rinse it out under running lukewarm water in the direction of the fall of the hair. After rinsing, we place the wet hair on an absorbent towel and gently pat it a little dry. We do not rub so as not to damage the hair and then put the wig on a wig stand. Then we spray the leave-in conditioner into the lengths and tips of the hair and carefully brush with the plastic tip brush from the bottom up through the entire hair, and finally seal it with the soft spray. The leave-in conditioner ensures that we can brush the hair more easily. If we want to get it dried quickly, we can blow dry the hair, but that would dry it out in the long term. I leave the wig hanging over the wig stand overnight, so I can wear it the next morning. After drying, we fix the wig on the styrofoam head with a few pins and take the straightening iron. Before that, we use a commercial heat protector spray. We make sure that the straightening iron is no more than 180 degrees Celsius, so as not to damage the hair. Because it rubs against the skin, neck hair can tangle easily. This could be fixed by using the straightening iron. After styling, we spray a little hair shine with UV protection on the hair, and depending on the hairstyle, I use some hairspray, and that's it. As a wearer of wigs, it is especially important to take the wig as little as possible as a foreign body in everyday life, and this best describes the feeling after hair care. The hair feels smooth and soft, and it feels nice to run your fingers through it.